Good morning, students. It's our class 10 chemistry video, part 4. In 2 parts, students, we are discussing our first chapter, which is chemical reaction, and we studied the reasons by which a chemical reaction takes place, and we studied definitions and some properties and the substitutes which are involved in reaction, like the reactant and the product, and what type of chemical change is. So today we cover some new topic, and first we will revise our previous topic through which you can memorize it. Okay, so let's start. In previous video we are discussing about chemical reaction, and I already told you that what is a chemical reaction. It is that change, or it is an irreversible change in a substance through which a new property or a new substance takes place, so called as chemical reaction. हमने पढ़ा था कि केमिकल रिएक्शन क्या होता है. वो चेंज किसी भी सब्सटेंस में जिसके वजह से न्यू प्रॉपर्टीज, न्यू सब्सटेंस फॉर्म्ड होते हैं, दैट इज़ अ केमिकल रिएक्शन. जिस रिएक्शन की वजह से, एंड इट इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ परमानेंट रिएक्शन, परमानेंट चेंज, एंड कॉल्ड एज इरिवर्सिबल चेंज. Irreversible, why? Because the original substance gives rise to one or more new substance, so it is irreversible change. Then हमने पढ़ा कि reactant and product क्या होते हैं. Before starting the reactant and product, we discuss some example also, like digestion of food, rusting of iron, respiration, and staining of food. These are some example of chemical reaction. Digestion of food में हमने देखा था कि किस तरीके से जब when we intake a food in a mouth, then it goes through the food pipe in stomach. There both changes occur. Student, in stomach there are two types of changes occur. One is physical and second one is chemical. Physical, how physical change occur in our stomach because the food we intake first is in solid form, which you called as a कॉर्ड. जब हम कॉर्ड माउथ कैविटी में इंटेक करते हैं कॉर्ड चपाती का, तो वो स्टमक में स्मॉलर मॉलिक्यूल्स में डिसोसिएट होता है. वो तो हो गया हमारा फिजिकल चेंज. फिर केमिकल चेंज कैसे? हमारी बॉडी में मिलियन टाइप्स ऑफ रिएक्शन, एंजाइम, एंड द वन मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एसिड विच इज HCl, which secretes during the time of digesting of a food, and the nutrient from that food getting released. So a chemical reaction taking place between the enzyme and the food product through which the nutrient gets released. So हमारे डाइजेशन ऑफ फूड में बहुत चेंजेस हो रहे हैं, फिजिकल भी और केमिकल भी. नेक्स्ट ऐसे ही हमने रेस्पिरेशन देखा था. हमने रस्टिंग ऑफ आयरन, लाइक व्हेन अ मेटल रिएक्ट विद एयर, so called as oxygen and water, then it form an ferric oxide, in which the state changes and called as the corrosion of a metal. Next, we saw what is reactant and product. Like here is an example. Zinc, when react with sulfuric acid, they both are reactant, and it forms zinc sulfate and hydrogen. So it is a product. So what is reactant? द सब्सटेंस विच टेक पार्ट इन रिएक्शन, वो सब्सटेंस जो रिएक्शन में पार्ट लेते हैं जिसकी वजह से रिएक्शन होती है, दीज आर द रिएक्टेंट एंड द प्रोडक्ट, द न्यू सब्सटेंस इज फॉर्म्ड इज अ प्रोडक्ट। हमने इतना कवर करा था एंड हमने एक्टिविटी देखी जिसमें हमने डिस्कस करा था रिएक्टेंट एंड प्रोडक्ट। जब मैग्नीशियम रिबन को बर्न करेंगे एयर में या फिर ऑक्सीडेशन होगा विद एयर, so it burns with a dazzling flame through which a white product is formed. It's called as magnesium oxide, and you have to know that we first remove the layer from magnesium ribbon which is made up of magnesium carbonate which is act as a protective layer. इतना हम कवर कर चुके थे। नेक्स्ट वी डिस्कस सम रीज़न और सम कैरेक्टरिस्टिक दैट हाउ अ केमिकल रिएक्शन टेक प्लेस and how we concluded that some chemical reaction are taking place in that substance. So there are some 4 or 5 reasons through which the chemical reaction take place. Here they are. First, like change in color. Next, change in temperature. It is of 2 types, exothermic and endothermic. We will discuss it later. Next, evolution of gas, formation of a precipitate and change of state. And we covered evolution of gas in our part 3rd video. So we take a look again on that point. Okay, it's an evolution of gas. I am just memorizing your previous topics which we covered in our yesterday video. Then we will come to our main topic. Okay, so first evolution of gas. अब how can we conclude it that a reaction occurs if there is an gas evolved in the reaction? So we know that some changes are occur in that substance or in that container in which the reaction proceeds. तभी हमें पता लगेगा कि कोई रिएक्शन उसमें हो रही है। और इसमें हमने एग्जांपल्स देखे थे लाइक कोल कंबक्शन। कोल इज व्हाट? इट्स अ कार्बन एंड आई told you that it's denoted with a C which is a carbon. Combustion means oxidation, so when it oxidized it will form carbon dioxide, and gas is always represented with an arrow. It means the evolution of gas takes place. Same as a metal, when react with acid it always form hydrogen gas and produce a hiss sound, in which we studied the reaction. Then zinc react with sulfuric acid, it forms zinc sulfate. Whenever metal react with acid it always form hydrogen gas. Okay, now हमें पता लग गया कि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कैसे फॉर्म हो रही है, हाइड्रोजन गैस ना। फिर हमने डिस्कस करा था कि हमें कैसे पता लगेगा, हाउ कैन वी नो दैट इट्स अ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस और इट्स अ हाइड्रोजन गैस. सो देयर आर टू मेथड्स ऑफ डिटेक्शन दैट द gas evolved, is it hydrogen or carbon dioxide. So if when the metal reacting with acid and the gas is evolved, suppose we don't know what type of gas is it. So if we take burning candle near to the container like this, so it will produce a pop sound. So we know that the reaction which proceed having the hydrogen gas, and if the carbon dioxide gas is taking place, हम कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को लाइम वाटर से पास आउट करेंगे और कॉल्ड एज अ क्विक लाइम. स्टूडेंट आपको कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है, लाइम वाटर इज नॉट अ लेमन वाटर, इट्स अ डिफरेंट, इट्स अ कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड called as a lime water. And when carbon dioxide gas passes, it turns transparent solution into milky solution. So we know that the gas evolved is a carbon dioxide gas. नेक्स्ट फिर हमने कुछ डेली लाइफ एग्जाम्पल्स देखे थे, जैसे विनेगर सबके घर में प्रेजेंट होता है. व्हेन इट रिएक्ट्स विद बेकिंग सोडा विच इज़ NaHCO3, it will produce carbon dioxide gas which take parts in making of a cake also. Okay students, from this we concluded that how the gas evolved and how can we detect them, and we are taking the example of like when vinegar reacts with baking soda. It is present in every home, in every kitchen, and when vinegar reacts with baking soda, it forms carbon dioxide gas which take part in the formation of cake, and due to this property the cake is fluffy. Okay, it is the first characteristic of the chemical reaction when the chemical reaction is taking place. Next topic is formation of a precipitate. अब स्टूडेंट्स यू हैव टू नोट दैट कि ज़रूरी नहीं कि एक पर्टिकुलर रिएक्शन में पर्टिकुलर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑब्जर्व हो. ऑल 5 टाइप्स ऑफ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक विल बी ऑब्जर्व एंड 1 ऑल्सो. सारे भी ऑब्जर्व हो सकते हैं किसी रिएक्शन में, किसी में 2, किसी में 3. ओके, so next is formation of a precipitate. Precipitate is what? It is an insoluble product formed in reaction. Insoluble product when two reactants like A and B combine or a react form like AB which is insoluble, so it is a precipitate due to some properties of A or a B, due to which is insoluble in the reaction. Like tea leaves, when we make a tea we put tea leaves in it, sugar, so sugar gets dissolved but tea powder or tea leaves just give color or a taste to that solution, but they act as an insoluble product when so what is tea powder act in that reaction? It's a precipitate. Now we continue this topic in our next video. मैंने आपको जो अभी जर्नल इंट्रोडक्शन दिया था इसके बारे में. ओके.